If y'all watch my stuff, chances are really good that you are familiar with this item here, which is the FootMog Grabber version 4. Now, this grabber is designed for general usage primarily in, well, beaches. But we are now at a point where we need to make a little mod to it. Let me show you. So here in Galveston, they're doing Mardi Gras, and Mardi Gras generates a lot of these. And that can be a bit of a challenge for that grabber. So we have to modify it, albeit temporarily, for optimizing the pickup of this particular item. Now, I've taken the liberty of setting up a simulation street where these beads are all over the place. And let me show y'all exactly what the problem is and what I'm going to do to fix it. So right here we have a standard FootMog grabber version 4. Now, on the bottom of these grabbers is this little rubber piece, which works really great for bottles and whatnot. But when we use it to pick up beads, in particular, single strand beads that are on a pile, when we go to grab it, we're only grabbing it on a little bit of the corner down there. That's all that's grabbing that bead. And that right there can cause a pretty big issue when you're trying to pick up a lot of them. Now, if you have a pile of them, let me move some of these together real quick. If you got a pile, it's not really a problem. Pile, you can go in there and you get a good bite on it. So, let me show you the mod. Here we see my personal grabber, the one that I use all the time. And what we did is we gave it teeth. And this is only going to be used for Mardi Gras, and after that it comes off, because these are not really practical for bags and stuff like that on the beach. But they will work really good for the beads. So, with the other grabber, we're only getting a corner. But with the teeth formation that we have right here, when we go to grab, if we're grabbing straight on, we pick up a whole set, like so. Now, if we're grabbing at an angle, we get just as good, if not a better bite like that. This also works if we have a group, like this right here. We get a good, firm bite on that. And that's exactly what we want, is a nice, firm bite on this thing. I think that'll work just fine for Mardi Gras, but after that, we don't want to do this because, as I said, bags and stuff will get stuck in here, or cigarette butts or any of that stuff that you might find on the beach will get stuck in there, and it won't be good for that. But for beads, I think it's going to be phenomenal. Pick them up, throw them in the box. We're on the cat.